4,000 watch hours in less than 2 months. Now, what I'm about to show you in this video is what I did practically, meaning I am not coming here to show you what I did not do. This is what I did that helped me. In short, I'm going to show you my analytics and you get to discover that I was able to do this within the period of what July 18 to August 15. I was able to complete my watch time hours, and I'm going to be showing you all this. In short, you as I'm doing it, I'm going to be using my laptop and I'll be using my phone, so that you will not give me excuse that you don't see it in your phone or you don't see it in your laptop. I'll be doing it with both laptop and then my mobile device. So now the out of these 5 settings, you see the 4th and the 5th is the new feature that small YouTubers are blowing up with, and this will help you to achieve not just subscriber, but what we are targeting in this video is how to actually complete your 4,000 watch hours with this particular settings I'm about to show you. So in case the first time you're seeing my YouTube video, please hit the subscribe button and let's go. Now head over to any browser of your choice and then type YouTube Studio. Now it's going to open like this. You might need to sign in if you've not signed in. Okay, I've actually signed in, so if I click on it, it's going to bring me to this interface. Now let me take you to my analytics. Okay, now this is my analytics, and you can see I've been posting long form video for a while. That's since July 18. I've been posting long form videos, okay, because I needed to accumulate more watch time hours, and as you can see, within 28 days my channel have been able to gather 98,000 views, and from these 98,000 views I've been able to achieve more than 4,000 watch time hours on my channel. Okay, if I should show you the 90 days, within 90 days I've been able to get close to even 5,000 watch time hours. Okay, but I don't want to focus on that. I just want to show you how I have been able that this setting is going to help you achieve much time hour. That is why we are here. Okay, now because for example, if you take a close look, every day, in short, every day I get close to like 200 watch time hour. For example, let me show you, like from this place I was actually got 21 and I got 99. Then I begin to have 200, 150, 200, 190. Just look at all of them. So every day I was having more than 100 watch time minutes, and altogether I've been able to get more than 4,000 watch time hours. Now let me now begin to show you those settings one after the other. So come to your content. Okay, click on content. Now we're going to be using one video as a practical example, so just follow one by one. In short, the 4th and 5th that I told you is a new feature on YouTube. Okay, so now click on this pen icon on the first video or any video of your choice. So it's going to bring you here. Number one setting that you underrate on your video, is your end screen. Now, let me explain this end screen to you. I believe sometime you must have been watching people's video and you will discover that at the end of their video, you will see another of their video, which means those people are using what we call end screen. So instead of YouTube suggesting another person's video to you, YouTube will again suggest that person's video to you again. So meaning, as a YouTuber, you need to be using end screen so that this will enable YouTube to be doing what? To be suggesting more of your videos to your audience or to people who are watching your videos. Okay, and how do you apply this end screen? Which is actually very simple. Some of you don't even know what is end screen. Okay, so now let me show you how to apply this end screen. Now, in order for you to apply this end screen, you're going to see look at this pen icon. After the end screen, click on it and it's going to bring you to this interface in order for you to be able to apply end screen to your video. Now look at elements. Do you see elements? Okay, click on that element, then click on video. Okay, so now when you click on that video, this will enable you to pick an element. You can play around with that element. You can see that you can position it where you like, and after you have positioned it where you like, you can see, let me just put it at my right hand side. Then I will choose I want a specific video there. I want to put a specific video. So when you click on that place, then choose any video, meaning you want any video you want YouTube to actually suggest to your subscribers or your viewers or audience. Select it and you have it now. So I have two end screen on this video now. Okay, so I have to end screen, so meaning the person can choose to make use of anyone. Then after you've done this, click on save. So please, if you've not been adding end screen to your video, go and do that right away. Second setting you are overlooking is your playlist. Now take a close look. I have almost 7 playlists here. Yes, I have almost 6 to 7 playlists here, and all of them serve a purpose. Now, this playlist is the reason why so many people keep on seeing my as like it's like as if I'm pushing my video to them. When they finish watching one, they see another one. When they finish watching one, in short, when they are in another person's timeline, you would still see my video. It is because of this playlist. So whenever you are posting any video on YouTube, always add your video to playlist. Now, playlist, you can have playlist on subscribers, you can have playlist on watch hours, you can have playlist on editing. Now, like me on my channel, I actually treat three topics: editing, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, and you can see I have about YouTube, about editing, then I have watch time hours, I have how to get subscriber, and I have about Facebook. So these are the so meaning if anytime you stumble at any of my playlists, I mean like any of my video, like let's assume you see the first video you have a counter with on my channel is Facebook video, then you're going to see more of my Facebook video. And if you now choose to go and click on any of my YouTube video, then you will see more of my YouTube videos. So this will enable you to organize, playlist enable YouTubers to organize their videos. All right. So now let's assume you don't have any playlist. Let's assume this is the first time you know about playlist. Let me teach you how to create playlist. Now look at that place as a new playlist. Click on that place and then you will see new playlist. So that new playlist enable you to create a new playlist if at all you don't have playlist. So after you've created any playlist of your choice, then you go ahead and do what? And add those video. For example, now I can choose to add this video to all my playlists, meaning I want this video to appear in all area of my of my content. Then after you've done that, make sure you always click on save. Okay, this is our number 2 setting you need to pay attention to. Now let me take you to number 3 settings. Now in our number 3 settings, let's go back and then let's go to customization. Now look at down, you will see customization. Click on that customization that you are seeing at your left. Now after it brings you here, go ahead and click on home tab. When you click on home tab, you see that this video we just work on now, that we added on our end screen and we added to playlist. We want to make it our trailer. Okay, we want to make it what? Our trailer. So click on that. You can see that place you see me pointing at. Click on that change. So when you click on that change, it's going to bring you here because we want to make that video home trailer, meaning let it be the first video that people will be seeing. It's like you're forcing that video to their face. So after you have chosen it, you can see it here. Then go ahead and click on publish. Don't forget to click on publish or else the effect will not take place. Now let's come back to content and let's go back to that video again, which is our number 4 settings. Now this number 4 settings is what enable your audience to enjoy or watching your video with ease, as like they watch it without stress, no problem. It is called automatic chapters. Automatic chapters. For example, now you can see this video. You see this video I'm making now. I'm talking about 5 settings you need to turn on now. So if you want to watch the first setting, the second settings, the third settings, the fourth setting, you will be able to watch it without any stress. So this is, you can see here, say chapters make your videos easier to watch. Do you see that? It make your video what? Easier to watch. It is as easy as that. Now you can overwrite automatic suggestion by creating your own what? Chapters in the video description if you want to. It's as easy as that. Now let me now take you to the number 5. This feature is, in short, this one you can access it. In short, I'm going to use the mobile app, so that you will not tell me you not see it. I want to use the mobile app to teach you this number 5. This number 5, in short, is making wave. A lot of people are blowing up with that particular settings. For example, open your YouTube Studio app. If you don't have your YouTube Studio app, you can download it from your Play Store, from your App Store, okay, irrespective of the phone you are using. After you have downloaded it, go ahead and open it. Now make sure you click on content down in order for you to see all your video when you open your Play Store. So when you click on content, you will see the video we are working on. Okay, do you see the video we are working on? So you will see a 3 dots. You will see a 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots. You can see me pointing at it. Then click on edit, or you can choose to click on the video and click on edit or the pen icon. Okay, now after you have opened it, click on this show more. Okay, when you click on this show more, you can see our videos in public, not for kids. Our description is okay. Our location, our playlist, everything is okay. Now come to this automatic dubbing. See, if in case you cannot see your own, right? if in case you cannot see this automatic dubbing, go and update your YouTube Studio app. Or if you update it now, you will see it there. Okay. Now, this place is now saying select language that will be that will be published to viewers, meaning I'm making this video in English, so I want others to be able to enjoy this my video in other language. So this will enable this video to have better performance. So click select all language. Don't select one. So I want either you are a French, you'll be able to understand my video. Either you speak German, you'll be able to understand my video. Either you speak Indonesian, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, any language you speak, my video is like you will enjoy or understand my video. So you make sure you turn it on. So these are the 5 settings right now. Go and make sure that you always put them on in all your videos, and you will discover that your videos will begin to perform well. Now, I've seen a lot of you saying, oh, it took them 1 year, 4 years, blah, blah, blah. But you can see this within, you can say I took you, the first thing I showed you is my analytics, so that you will know. I'm showing you proof. Not that I'll be telling you what I did not do. I showed you proof. Within by July, I started posting June. But in that June I was posting, I was not having the idea until July. And from that July, you can see I was able to gather my watch. I was able to complete my watch time hour. Okay, so if you also apply this, it will also help you. And again, if you want me to make any video for you, in the comment section, just say you want me to make a particular video. Just drop the topic and I'll do that video for you. And again, I would advise you go and watch this video. If you're struggling with watch hours and subscribers, go and watch this video. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.